how to find routing number on M&T Bank app. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can find routing number on M&T Bank app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to find routing number on M&T Bank app, you have to follow these steps. So once you log into M&T mobile banking, then select your deposit account from the account summary screen. Then tap the account info button in the upper right hand corner and you will be able to find routing number on M&T Bank app. Or you can always use one of your M&T Bank checks or a withdrawal ticket to find your routing number. It will be in the bottom left corner listed first before your account number. Use the example check below to help you locate it. So that's how you can find routing number on M&T Bank app. That's all for this video.